So now, Gautam, once the royalty agreement is signed, so the next step is processing the author's payment, right? So this is where the author payment summary comes in, which includes details like the royalty percentage, the total earning from print and ebook sales, deductions such as advanced payment or any taxes, and the net amount payable. So this document ensures transparency and keeps both parties aligned on the payments term. Instead of preparing these summaries manually for each author, publishing house can automate the entire process, pulling payment data from the finalized agreement and generate a personalized summary for every author. So Gautam, can you also show us how Writer automate this entire flow from merging data to generating and sharing the payment summaries with authors?
Definitely, Vicky. Let me just quickly jump over to the document section. And here I have an author payment summary. So here, as you can see, this is a merged document, and I have connected to the Zoho sheet that contains all the information after the agreement. So the finalized rate and all the other information once the agreement is signed. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect and add in the fields into the template. And in here, you can see that I have added a date field, which is a dynamic today's date, so that anytime I generate a document, I need not go ahead and input the date manually. So automatically today's date will be captured and it will be listed in the particular document. And further, I have added the author name, email, book title, the royalty percentage, and other amounts as well. So here, what I've done is I have not calculated the total. So for not to calculate the total, I'm doing the sum above formula. So from the left panel, I'll be able to click on formula and insert the formula into the table or the wherever I require. And similarly, what I've done is I've added an advance payment. So let's just say a scenario where there is an advance payment made before the payment summary is done. So I have to deduct those payments, or if there are any taxes, I'll be able to deduct those as well. So in order to do that, what I've done is I've added the information in the table, and in here I've used the formula so that the total amount is subtracted from the advanced payment and the taxes. So in order to do that, what I've done is I've used table cell referencing. So here you can see that I have added table 1 D4, and since this is a table 2 already, I've used B2 and B3, so that the amount, the total value from D4 will be pulled and it will be subtracted to the other two amounts of the advanced payments. And furthermore, I've also added a signer field. So if you'd like to send this document for signature, you can go ahead and send it, or you can just go ahead and remove these fields and just send it as a payment summary as a final document. So now what we can do is just go ahead and run the document. And before that, here you can see that I have added a cell referencing value here. So in the final, I have added an acknowledgement where I display the total amount that needs to be paid. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and edit formula. Here if I want, I can also use a currency format or number to text according to my preference. So here I'm converting the currency format that has been added here to words. So here you can see that under the edit formula, I've used the formatting currency for this particular section. So according to based on your locale, the currency format will be displayed. So now once that is done, all I have to do is just go ahead and run the merge. And even while running, so let's just say I have multiple records, I need not manually enter each and every email address. So I can just simply pull the email address from the data source and then go ahead and send it. So we also have various options like inline attachment and etc. So I'm attaching this as a PDF document and then sending it to my author. So that's how easy it is for you to generate documents automatically once all the negotiation process is completed, so that the author will receive a clear-cut payment details to their email.
Wonderful, Gautam. Thank you so much again.